If you're still watching this series, then something is pulling at you. Maybe you've been burned. Maybe you've tried before and failed. Or maybe just want to believe it's not too late for you. I get it because I felt all of the same. And yet I created peace, purpose, and income at over 70 years of age now. I got access to the program one time, no monthly fees. I plugged into the system. Everything was ready. The ads, the website, the steps. 3, I followed the daily blueprint. 2 hours or less a day, no chasing people, no tech stress, and no hidden expenses. I didn't need to build anything from scratch. I wouldn't even know how. I didn't need to figure it all out alone. Community support, oh, unbelievable. I didn't need to sell. The system does the talking. Let me paint the before and the after. I was exhausted. I was scared of the future. I felt invisible. But now I wake up knowing my time is mine. I earn while I rest, while I walk my doggies, while I help others. I'm not chasing, I'm attracting. I finally feel aligned, supported, and free. This isn't just about making money. It's about feeling safe again. It's about showing your grandkids what's possible. It's about becoming the person you were always meant to be without the burnout. If this series spoke to you, even just a little, don't let it be just another video you scroll past. Go to hollypringdailypay.com or drop info in the comments and I'll send you exactly what I use daily. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're just in the middle of your comeback. And I would personally love to walk with you on your new journey. I'm here to help you and I'm certified mentor.